people who lived in this side, they used to call this also as Dubai, Bird Dubai. The other side of Dubai, where the souk, where the airport is, was called Deira. That was also called Bird Deira, Desert Deira. Today anyway, these are the two major parts of Dubai, divided by a creek called Bird Dubai and Deira Dubai Creek, where we are going next. This area is a very popular Indian area. A lot of also specifically this area is called Mankhol, Mankhol. A lot of Indian people live here. To find local people, it's a very less number of local people live here. Local Emirati citizens. You may have seen them in the airport. The local Emiratis with the white long dress, and also the ladies with the black long dress. The foreigners, the population are much more than local population. On the left side is a Meera Bazaar, after the metro on the left. This is called Bank Street. Actually, we must call it Bin Walid Street. The tour is for about 4 hours. So after the end of the tour, we'll be dropping you in your respective hotels, or if you like to anywhere, for example, stay anywhere on your own, that is possible as well. So once again, to start with the temperature, it's a good time of the year in terms of weather. Though 2 days ago it was much more hotter, so now it's about 29 degrees Celsius. Evening times will be cooler with about 18 degrees Celsius. There's also be a little chilly wind in the evening time. Nevertheless, it's a good weather. So if you're going to the desert, then you may need warm clothes in the desert. So public transportation on the left. There are buses everywhere. We also have the metro trains. All the buses are air conditioned. They go from one destination to the other. Metro is quicker, buses go on a long routes. Rounding. So 45 years ago in Dubai, there was no electricity, there was no running water. It has come a long way, not only because of petrol. Petrol, oil was explored here in the 1960s. Abu Dhabi, petrol was explored in the 1950s. 96% of the petroleum in this country is in Abu Dhabi, the capital of UAE. There are 7 states in the United Arab Emirates: Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah and Fujairah. These 7 states constitute the United Arab Emirates. Before 1971, there was no UAE. The United Arab Emirates as a country is only 43 years old. All the 7 states unified into a single country in 1971. December 2nd is the national day of UAE. The Emirates, as this whole country is called, the citizens of UAE or Emiratis.
1971 से पहले क्या था UAE?
पहले UAE नहीं, पहले था all 7 countries, different countries, 7 states.
हैं ये different countries.
Countries. United Arab Emirates. Before 1971, the UAE name नहीं, So it was Ajman differently, Dubai different, Abu Dhabi different, Sharjah different, all different countries. Called the sheikdoms. They used to call those the
Small countries.
small country, true seal states. And we have 7 different kings for the 7 different emirates, United Arab. So in Dubai, for example, the Al Maktoum family is ruling even today, Dubai. Abu Dhabi is Al Nahyan. The different tribes are ruling the 7 emirates. However, we have a president and a prime minister. The president and the prime minister is the ruler of Abu Dhabi and the ruler of Dubai, respectively. So they are not elected by people. The president and the prime minister are the kings of Abu Dhabi and Dubai, automatically according to the unification agreement. But this federation with 7 different kings have functioned very well so far without any problem. This is one of the most progressive countries in Asia. So in a minute we'll be stopping by at the creek, the historic Dubai Creek. And everything in Dubai started on both sides of the creek. Long before the Riga Road or that area, or long before anywhere else in Deira or Dubai. Dubai started from the side of the creek. In a minute we'll be stopping by the creek. The right side is a palace. The palace belongs to Sheikha Maryam. She is the aunt of the Dubai ruler. So this is Bur Dubai, that side is Deira Dubai. In between, like a river, that is seawater. It's about 12 kilometers long, that's called the creek. So we also earlier crossed the creek on a bridge called Maktoum Bridge. So we'll stop here for a photo stop of the beautiful Dubai Creek. Bur Dubai and Deira Dubai. You can see nice skyline buildings. Some of these buildings have been featured in some Hindi movies also, in some of the songs. The building on the right with the triangular white top, it's a Chamber of Commerce. Building with a curvical glass front where you can see the reflection of water. That's the National Bank of Dubai building. And the building with the golf ball on top behind the Sheraton Hotel, that's the Etisalat, Emirates Telecommunication building. In between, you can see a contrast of luxury yachts. You can also see old wooden boats. This is where Dubai began. The Creek of Dubai, seawater, 12 kilometers long. Left side is a sea, right side is a river. So we have a photo stop here for 10 minutes. The Dubai Creek.